Yo, what's going on, folks, man? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set, bro. Listen, why people just won't like to stay in their own lane? I don't understand. Just yeah, we ain't here for the negativity though. I just want to piggyback off a question or a statement that was made from some dude. Asking the question. Well, he didn't really ask the question. He just said people over 40 shouldn't wear J's anymore. And I looked like, how old am I? 41, 2, 3. You can't tell me or anybody else what you should or shouldn't do with the only life that you get. I'm just mad confused, bro. Like, I don't know. Where y'all stand on this? Like, y'all young cats out there that's, free, easy, whatever. When you see somebody like me, which, don't let the gray hair fool you, dog. Don't do that. But yeah, you see somebody like me walking around with some J's on or, whatever hype sneaker that's out at the moment, right? What do you think? You think, oh, that's dope. Or you think, like, come on, bro, give it up. Like, what is the appropriate footwear for somebody who is in their 40s plus? I'ma just be honest with you. I'm just asking the question just to ask. I can care less what somebody else say, what I should or shouldn't be wearing. Cause first of all, you ain't buying the shit from me. You not in my financials. You not dressing me every day. So what the hell you worry about what I'm putting on for? Like, the golden age of sneakers was in the 80s, bro. The late 80s and 90s shit really popped off. So that was our age group when we was coming into things. Like, all this retro shit, that's from our age group. So you can't say somebody over 40 should not be wearing J's. Like, get out of here. That's the whole point of a retro, to bring back nostalgia from that point where we were young jits running around here and we did anything we could do to get sneakers. So I'm just confused, man. I don't know what this guy really, what his angle really was. Is there any credence to what he's saying? Hell no, there's not at all. Some people just say things just to draw attention to themselves, we already talked about this, man. People say crazy shit just to get clicks. This ain't it. I'm just asking the question of, like, what do you actually think? If you're in the age group of 25 and below, what do you actually think when you see an older person like me? I wouldn't say older, but a more seasoned person with a pair of J's on, or a pair of hype sneakers on, or better yet, some Yeezys or some Yeezy Pods. You won't catch me wearing them joints. I don't care whether they was $5, but this is how they get you though. So the Yeezy Pod, everything on the website is $20, right? And I'm digressing, right? $20, cool. But if you just want a pair of Yeezy Pods for $20, you gotta pay $15 for shipping. What in the hell you shipping? Look, I did merch. I shipped a lot of shit, but $15 for some shipping for something that's can put in an envelope, that's not it, dog. Like, that's the come up. And that's what a lot of these other places do too. Like some of these boutiques where they just flat out charge you $19.99 for shipping. Some of us bite on it and some of us don't. So yeah, I digress like a motherfucker. I did. My bad. But yeah, man, that kind of made me a little. It didn't make me upset. I just was like, yo, this dude's really an idiot. Like, who? What? What do you want me to do? Walk around with some what? Clarks? Nope, those aren't real for old people either. They're I don't know. There is no. Oh, some Cole Haans? You want me to walk around with some of those Sport 2.0s or some, bruh? The list goes on. Yeah. I've seen people way older than me walk around with the flyest pair of J's on, and all you can do is give them that. All right, then, bro. That's all you can do, cause it's just shoes, man. That's in the end, that's what it is. It's just shoes. Oh boy. Again, people just say stuff just to get clicks, bro. I ain't here for it. That's not me. It will never be me. If you here for that, I'm sorry. I'm not here just to say stuff to get clicks. I'm well on in my years, and I don't really have the time nor energy to just be saying stuff just to see how many feathers I can ruffle or see how many clicks I can get, because yeah, it ain't it, man. But it's not like I'm on a soapbox, so I'm gonna get on out of here, man. Hope you guys have a great day, and if you haven't done so already, blah blah blah, like, subscribe to the channel if you want to. If you don't, that's cool too, but I greatly appreciate it if you did, just so you can check your boy out, man, on future videos here on the set, man. Got a couple of things coming down the pipe, man, and really want you guys to be a part of that. And we might be doing a few giveaways or whatever, but more details on that soon. We're gonna be doing a couple giveaways, man. So again, if it's your first time watching, thanks. If you're a repeat offender, thank you again, and welcome to the set crew. I'm your boy Money Matt, bro. Let me get on out of here, man. This nigga gonna tell me I can't wear Jordans over the age of 40. Man, you don't kick rocks. All right, I'm out, man. Gone.